A smart use of space helps you maximize what you can bring. Start by placing large items in front and small items in back, so nothing flies forward on the drive. And now the small stuff. With the cargo net, things stay put and easy to access. Another option, make tidiness a priority. The only thing that should let loose on your trip is you. Or say your adventure leads to treasure. Valuables are not something to be careless with, or advertise for that matter. Now that the back is properly packed, you'll have peace of mind knowing your luggage, as well as any newly found treasures, are safe and secure.